Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTuber class. Today is our final lesson. So far, we have written scripts, filmed, and edited our videos. Today, we will learn how to publish these videos and how to promote them to increase viewers. Are you ready? I will explain how to upload your videos to YouTube. First, access YouTube and log into your account. Then, click the camera icon in the top right corner and select Upload Video. Select your video file, and the upload will begin. Here, it is important to set the title, description, and tags. A good title should concisely convey the content of the video and be interesting. The description should provide detailed information about the video. Tags are keywords that make your video easier to find in searches. Once the video is published, the next step is promotion. Promotion is the activity of letting many people know about your video. First, I will introduce how to use social media. Sharing the video link on Twitter, X and Instagram can help many people see your video. Also, communicating with your viewers is important. Responding to questions and comments in the comments section helps build relationships with your viewers. This can increase the number of repeat viewers. Today, we learned how to publish videos and the basics of promotion. Did you enjoy today's lesson? Finally, let's watch the completed videos together and give feedback. Find the good points in each other's videos and think about what you can improve next time. You all did a fantastic job. Use what you learned today to keep making fun videos. Thank you very much.